All right, so today we have the Amazon Echo Buds. So these just came in. You can use Alexa with them, of course. And now these do have dynamic audio and active noise cancellation. They have a nice, easy open box. Amazon's getting pretty good with their packaging. The little Echo Buds. They have optional wingtips, tap for control. There's a nice little card stock here. Important information. And then here's the actual device. And look at that, there's even more. It's like they're going recyclable materials. It's nice to see. So you have an A to C cord in here. It's weird that they're kind of, the same bag has a large and small on it, but it says right. So maybe that's the medium. It's weird they don't say what it is. And then you have these various tips here, different sizes. And then of course with the app, or with the devices. So it's a small case. There's a little button right there. So it does say to open the case first, or install the app first. So let's give that a shot. I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So I do not use Alexa. I mean, I know that's one of the main selling points, but I don't use, like, I just want some earbuds. And I like Amazon products. Seems like it was a good price. You can see on the site, if you see the price is $99 for the buds. You can pay $20 more for the wireless charging case, but I have these Bose and whatnot, and I don't use that wireless charging either, or the Samsung one of these has charging. I don't use those for wireless charging. All right, so let's open up Amazon Alexa. Like I do like Amazon products. I have the Halo here that I'm trying out now. So let's ask me to set a device. I'm gonna say yes, and I'll do that while using the app. So searching for devices, I need to open the case. There they are. Echo Buds pops right up. So you have to do allow all the time. So this is telling you how to put these wingtips on. The left one, you can see that, and then it just pops right in there. Oh, you gotta take this off, and then put this in, and then pop this back on. All right, now we're back on. All right, so this is the left ear. So I'm trying one with the wingtip and one without the wingtip. So it's weird though. Let me try taking the wingtip off. So when you do that, it just kind of plays a noise in your ear, but I'm not doing anything. I'm just letting that noise play. Well, these wingtips don't want to come off. Yeah, like, man, thing is on there. All right, so now we're back in there. It says put it in. So basically go in like this and then twist it in your ear. And now I'm gonna test it again. So now it says they're both great. I don't know how it does that. I've tried the Bose, Samsung, Beans, and these Lenovo ones, and none of them have done anything like that. So it's pretty impressive. All right, I like being able to tap to control. One tap, then double tap. That's not bad. Triple tap. Now we're getting a little too much. I'm gonna skip this for now because I'm staying in my house. If I was out traveling or still traveling businessman, then I would use this feature. I don't want to start a workout feature. All right, you gotta allow some contacts. You gotta allow messaging, of course. Trying to say that's some audible. No. All right, I'm done. And then you can create a voice profile, of course. You can turn ANC on. You can turn the microphone on. Tells you the battery percentage. Oh, you can leak the music services. That's pretty good. Oh, let's just say Amazon Music. That's funny. Can you do Spotify? Yeah, you can do Spotify and all the ones. That's pretty good. You can do an alarm. That's pretty good. You can do a shopping list. So that's pretty good for Alexa, I guess. That makes sense. Oh, I guess it's just Alexa. This isn't Bud specifically. This is just Alexa. I see. Some kind of equalizer here. Doesn't know what it's doing. Oh, I see. It's just all blank. Now I'm just going to play some music and we'll see how that sounds. Obviously, you won't be able to hear it. Let's try a little Say and Be Yourself. Some good bass response there. This sounds one of my favorite songs. Say and Be Yourself. Sounds really good. And they're comfortable. I don't find them unpleasant at all. Let me take it out. So I can take one out and it stops playing. I just took it out and it quit playing. Let me double tap it. So you can see when I tap it, see it pause there. So when I take one out either side, it quits playing. The Bose does something similar, but I think Bose only on the right side. But you can still play it with just one. So now it's just in the right ear. This one's still going. You can maybe hear it. I put that in the microphone. So let me take that back out. Pop the case. I'm gonna slap them back in here right quick. So I'll do a longer test, but of the three that I have currently, I would say that's how they line up. Worst, pretty good, best. As far as audio quality goes. These are the Samsung Beans are the most comfortable. These little bean guys. And then these Lenovo's are similar to the poke inside your ear hole like the Echo Buds, but the Echo ones are a lot more comfortable. This is a much nicer setup there. You can see it's a pretty good case size. I mean, there's a little light on there too, let you know battery's on. I'll do a quick test because these are my favorite currently, the Bose. So let me try them against the Echoes. Well, let me try that again. Whoa, no contest. I don't understand that. So let's try it again with someone else. Let me try the Beans. See, the Beans do that, which is pretty cool. Well, that is shocking to me. What's shocking, you ask? How good these Amazon Echo Buds sound. I did not expect that. I don't know if it's the ANC or the fact that they actually test your ear to make sure they fit. I'm gonna try the double tap. Yeah, skip songs. So yeah, Echo Buds I think sound better than these. Get a little size difference here. So you can see they're about the same size as these Lenovo ones that are very inexpensive, but there's a noticeable difference. I mean, nowhere near the same sound quality. That's to be expected. I mean, this one is, I spent more than McDonald's than these things cost. But these, both of these, the Beans and the Bose, are more expensive than these Echo Buds. And the Echo Buds right now are blowing them out the water. I did not expect that. Also, I typically do not like this style that goes in your ear hole. That's why these are the most comfortable, because they don't go anywhere near your ear hole. I go near it, I guess, but not in your ear hole. And these would also be very comfortable, because they also don't go in. They kind of just sit there, and this wing keeps them in. But I don't know, because and these are the least comfortable because they go all the way up in there. But these, again, I've only tried them just this short amount of time here, but they were very comfortable. I don't know, we're gonna give this a shot. I'll do a deeper dive on these. Right now, I'm just kind of giving my first thoughts, unboxing, take a look. But right now, they're getting a heavy thumbs up. Very impressed. And we'll get some stats here, right? 5 hours music playback per charge, 15 hours with the charging case, 2 hours with the 15-minute quick charge, a hands-free Alexa. I don't really use Alexa though. Customize your fit, optimize your sound. It says it's gonna protect your privacy, but we'll see. Was that without ANC on? Let me try that again. All right, let me put that back up. Put all these toys away. All right, put these back in my ear. Playing a little Sam Be Yourself. Okay, that's just pass through. So that's why I can hear stuff outside. And I can, like I'm snapping my fingers next to my ear and it sounds perfectly normal. Let's try something else. Yeah, I mean, whew. I don't know if it's that active noise canceling or, because I mean, I have headphones, with, on the ear headphones with active noise canceling, and it sounded nothing like that. So I don't know, man, that is a quality sound. So I'm as shocked as you are. Big thumbs up to Amazon on this. Good job. We're gonna check them out. I'm gonna do a deeper dive. We'll try them for more than just this, a couple minutes. We'll try all 4 of these out back to back. I've spent several weeks with these, but I'll spend a day or 2 or a week or so with these, and then we'll give some more in-depth thoughts on it. All right, but so far, big winner. And of course, they do charge a USB-C here. All right, thanks for checking me out.